Hi everybody, I just wanted to give you a quick run through of the layout for the Bio 108 course. So right now, if you're familiar with eCampus, it's kind of had a facelift, so things may be in a little different place than you're used to. But this is similar to what you'll see whenever you log into eCampus. So if you just click over here on courses, it should show the courses you have coming up. So I have the Bio 108, so we select that one. For the first couple days, whenever you sign in, we'll come to the Start Here section. So just a quick welcome from me here. The intro video that you're watching, of course the syllabus. You will need the Lockdown browser to take your test. Also, that'll include with it the monitor, so there will be a recording with your webcam during exams, so you will definitely need that. And just to get started so that you have the download, you're familiar with it, you'll have a syllabus quiz that's actually due on the second day of class, so on Tuesday the 27th. And mainly this is open book, open note. You take as long as you need to. It's just a couple questions so that mainly you've looked at the syllabus, you've downloaded the Lockdown browser, and you're ready to go. The only other thing that you'll need to do by Tuesday is the introduction. We have a lot of discussion, so this will help get you used to the discussion board. So those two things need to be done by Tuesday. And then I will update where you land whenever you log into the class. You actually land on the announcements page, just because I'll give you quite a few announcements to help everybody keep on track. On the left-hand menu, though, just a few things to point out. Of course, the Start Here, which is where you're at. The syllabus is here, so you always have a quick link to it. And then I have the course divided into 4 modules, essentially 4 tests for the semester, so each test has its own module. And I put the dates there so that you know which one you're on at any given time. So starting on Tuesday, we'll be into Module 1. So you have a little Module 1 intro there that talks about what we'll be covering. And then for each chapter, whenever you click on the folder, there's the PowerPoint you can download. There's recorded lecture using VoiceThread. You can click on that link. A study guide. For each chapter, there'll be at least one discussion and an assignment to go along with that. So again, pretty much every day there's going to be something due, so just be prepared. For the most part, you can work ahead a little bit if you know that you're going to have some things going on. You won't have very much time on a certain day. You can work ahead and do your discussion question and your assignments a little bit in advance anyway, so you can work on all of that. And then just the other thing is you'll see whenever you go through the syllabus, there's a video reflection that's not due until July, but all the information is there. There's a video you watch, and then you submit a reflection, and in the instructions you have all the details and a rubric for what needs to be included in that. And then instead of a final exam, there's a paper presentation. Again, there's a rubric and instructions for that, and then if you're doing the paper option, you'll upload your paper there. Essentially, you're picking a drug of your choice, and then you'll go through and provide various information about that drug. And you can either do it in a paper style, or you could do a recording using VoiceThread or PowerPoint or any of the many options. I'm using Screencast right now. So lots of platforms out there, but you can do a recording for that as well. And again, that's instead of a final exam. Then the only other thing besides the discussions, the assignments, and of course a test at the end of each module is the debate paper. That'll be at the end of the semester, or the 6-week short summer session. But again, this debate, it's actually a paper, but it's debating the pros and cons of decriminalizing drugs, which is kind of where we're headed right now. There are quite a few states that have decriminalized multiple drugs. So again, you'll be investigating and reporting on the pros and cons and your views regarding that. Again, so besides the video reflection, the debate paper, and the drug paper, toward the end, for each module, again, for each chapter, you have a discussion and an assignment, and then you'll also have an exam. Now you can see the information here for my exam. As the instructor, you won't see this yet. It won't open for you until July 5th. which is whenever you can take the exam. I do open exams for 2 days just to give you a little bit of flexibility. But if there is an issue with anything as far as, you're going to be away or not available for internet access, just let me know. We'll figure something out so that you can take things as you need to. And then just a couple quick other things over here in the resources. PowerPoints, if it's more helpful, I did just link all the PowerPoints. It just takes you to the modules there. And then, again, announcements. This will be the main place. After the start here, there'll be multiple announcements. I'll just be reminding you of things coming up that are due. Your grades, you'll be able to check there. I use a point system, so it's really easy to keep up with your grade. And then I do have office hours by appointment via Zoom. Of course, you can email me anytime, but if you'd prefer to meet with me, just set up a time with me and then you can join the Zoom using this link there. And then there are also some helpful resources. IT help if you have issues with eCampus, or you have issues with like the lockdown browser, or just some general information about eCampus is there as well. So again, welcome to the class. Mainly, if you have any questions, please reach out. I try to respond to email very, very quickly. So just email me, reach out, let me know if you have anything going on, you don't understand where to find things or how to do anything. I'm here to help you, so just let me know. Thanks, and good luck for the semester.